Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save an email as a PDF file on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application itself. So let's now click on any email. Right click on this email. We can either print from here, or let's go to the top navigation menu, go to File, go to Print, and now this will set up Print Preview. So let's go to the option that allows us to save as PDF. We can now change this to anything of our choice. Let's just say email.pdf. This will be saved on the desktop. That can be changed. Title, author, subject, keywords can also be changed. But for the moment, let's just leave it the way it is. Click on save. Let's now go to another desktop, and there we have that PDF file. On our desktop, click on this, and there is the email that has now been saved and converted into a PDF file. So let's now quit preview. Let's now go back to Microsoft Outlook. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.